in metropolitan Indianapolis is where Hamilton County is located. That's the fastest growing county in Indiana. It should be #1 in growth for a good amount of time. So it's going to increasingly be more likely for you to find a job or move to Hamilton County. It is by far the most educated county in Indiana, with 50% over 25 that have a college degree. So you look at Monroe County, where IU is, only 10% of the population over 25 has a college degree. Maybe because they're about 10 or 12 years away from finishing off their degree down there. Anyway, so also Hamilton County is the wealthiest county, and so it's the highest educated, it's the wealthiest. So it's going to also find a strong presence of the creative class. And so all these variety of reasons are why it's attracting a lot of highly educated, wealthy people from Indiana, so domestic migration, but also from outside the state. And as they attract people, they want to create amenities. And so one of the amenities is the Monon Trail that extends up and comes through Carmel and is now linking up Westfield and all places all throughout Hamilton County. And this is seen as an amenity. So the reason why they built this is not because there was all of a sudden this demand, people want to ride their bikes. Maybe that was the case, but they more did all of this infrastructure and building all of this to attract people. So if you look at the original, who built the Monon Trail, who was a key investor, actually was Eli Lilly. Why? Because they want to attract the best and the brightest scientists to this particular area. And how do you get people to move to middle of nowhere, Indiana? You show them the north side, or you show them Carmel, and you show them these amenities to showcase, hey, this is a great place to live. You got this recreation center, you've got all these cool roundabouts. You've got the village of West Clay. You've got a lot of diversity as far as architecture and neighborhoods. It's seen as being quite attractive, and so you're now seeing Westfield now really try to as it starts to really grow quite quickly, a more undeveloped area of Hamilton County, trying to create all this kind of this sports complex and trying to create these amenities and big things that are going to attract people to this particular area. And so if you're already having good things going, why not just add to that and continue it? What we're going to do for each of these various areas we're going to look at is look at the population pyramids. And so what I've done is I've also, if you can faintly see that is the United States, is that kind of that transparent dashed pyramid shape that you can kind of see if you focus in clearly. But one of the things you notice is, compared to the United States average, there are a little bit more younger people. That makes sense. Indianapolis is an urban county, so more often than not, urban areas are going to have higher birth rates and higher percentage of population that are young people. Then you have kind of an ebb and flow. You can see fewer 20 to 24-year-olds. So although we do have Uwe Pui and Butler and U of I and a few others, a lot of our own people leave the county, leave the area for their schooling. Further, we can see up at the top there's fewer old people, especially over the age of 50. And that also kind of goes along with there's more young people, so there's going to be fewer old people when we look at averages.